Hi guys, in today's video we will see three things. First we will see how we can split the form into two sections or three sections. Then we will see the common problems that people face when splitting this form. And in the third section we will see how we can make the name dynamic. Like here, if I change the budget, then the header name is also changing. So let's start. In step 1, we will add two columns in the spreadsheet. For example, I want to see this data in first view or first page of the form, and I want to see all of the materials data and labor data in second view on second page of the form. So what I will do is I will right click on it and I will add a column here and I will add a column here as well. So now let's give it a name. It is just a reference name, so you can give any name. Like here I am giving it alpha and here I am giving the name beta. So now we have two forms. Next we will go to AppSheet and in the data tab we will select the table where we have added those two columns. Click on this more button and regenerate schema so that we will update the dataset and we will have those two columns that we added. So here we have the column alpha and here we got where it is here we got the beta. Click on this pencil icon, change its type to show. In the category select page header. In the content you can give any name, like here I am giving page 01. Hit save. Repeat the same process for column beta and let's select the show. Type is selected as show. In the category let's select page header. In the content you can type page 2 or whatever it is, whatever name you want to show on your section as a section header. Click on done. Okay, let's click on save and our view will be ready. So here we got a problem. Column name alpha in schema has initial value today. So as it added column alpha, it automatically, initially it was date, so it automatically added an initial value of today. So that is an error. Let's remove that. The error has been removed. Let's save. Okay, so now if you see, it is still not added here. We cannot see the tabs. Go to this view name. Here in page style, click on tabs. Now you can see page 1 and page 2. If you click on page count, it will show it like this, but we want to add tabs, so just click on tabs and hit save button. Now if I go to add project, so here I can see the page 1, page 01 and page 02. Now let's talk about the issues that are here. The issues that are present here. The first issue is we see all of the data in page 1 and there is no data in page 2. And also page 1 is repeating 2 times. So why there is this problem? The first reason of this problem is we have added these two columns, column alpha and column beta, after adding all of the other columns and after creating the app. So it is unable to identify that. We can confirm it by adding a new column. For example, if I click here, if I add a new column like test column, let's go here and regenerate the schema again. Go to data tab, regenerate schema. Now if I click on page 1 and page 2, so here you see test column has been added into page 02. It is not in page 1. So basically the problem is it is unable to identify which columns to place in page 1 and which columns to place in page 2. You can avoid this issue by adding these alpha and beta column in the start. If you add these columns before creating this view, then you will not counter this issue. Also, if your data is very small, it has 4 or 5 columns, still you don't face this issue. But if your data is complex and you have many formulas here, then you face this issue. Now let's see how we can resolve that. Click on the view name and here you will see an option column order. Click on add. Keep clicking on add until you have all of your columns listed here. Okay, so now I have all of my columns. Just delete this all other columns as I don't want this. I don't want row number. This is my alpha column. Initially, if I place alpha column below 2 or 3, then I will see 3 pages because project and project name is not in alpha, it is not in beta, so it automatically create a new page, that is page 1, and it is adding these two in that page. If I drag alpha to the top, you will notice that pages are switching to page 1 and page 2, and the duplication has been removed. Now here you see the beta page. You can the all columns that are above beta, they will be placed in page 1, and all of the columns that are below beta, they will be placed in page 2. So now this problem has been resolved by doing this simple trick. In the third part of video, we will see how we can make the header dynamic. Initially we were using page 01 and page 02, but now we will add something. For example, in page 02 I want to add this total amount. So what I will do is I will go to data tab. I will select my beta column, and in content, if you click here, so you can add something like job amount. Convert the first part into string and then concatenate it as we do usually in all of the softwares. So here we have job amount, and I want to see, let's keep it simple. So page 02 and job amount, so we will have these two things. Here we go. It has been added, page and then the amount. In today's video, we learned how to add multi-page form in AppSheet, the common issues with multi-page form and their solutions, and how to make the header dynamic. Let me know in the comments either it resolved your multi-page form issues or not, or if you have any other issue, just add it in the comments. I will try to make a video on that as well. Press the subscribe button to keep watching AppSheet videos. Take care. Bye.